Hello everyone, today we are going to install the throttle for the Ado Air and I'm going to show you how simple it is to install it. To do that, to exemplify how easy it is, I'm here in the middle of absolutely nowhere, so I don't have any kind of other tools available, so there's nothing. I do have my backpack there, but I'm not cheating. I have my filming gear inside, so there are no tools, nothing, just cameras and some mounts for my GoPro, and that's all, and also quadcopter. So in the box, there's no box, there is a bag. In the bag you are going to get a grip that is shorter than the one that you get on the bike installed. You get the accelerator and you get a plug that goes here and a hex key, and that's all. And you also get a manual, because if this somehow gets too complicated, you get a manual to install it. So first thing first, we just take the hex key out and we are going to untighten these two screws that hold the original grip. And I hope that I didn't lose that on the grass. Okay, I've got it back. You see, it's complicated if you do this outdoors, so don't do it like me. But I'm just trying to exemplify that this is super easy to do. And this one is easy to take out, and that other one is also easy to take out. And now you are just going to take this out, slide them out just like that, and we are done with those. Just keep them for later use. I'm going to drop them in my backpack here. And now I'm going to take the throttle, and the throttle is this one. It has the same hex mount here, and this is going to go in like that. Careful with the wire, you can take it to go under the brake level holder there. Hope that you can see that. Of course, you can actually adjust this as you wish to make it lower or whatever suits you best. And then you are going to put the new grip back on. You also need to untighten its screws a bit so it slides in, because they are very tight when you get this. I'm going to do that just now. So one, it's loose, and I'm going to do the same for the other one. Right. And now I'm going to put them back with the grip. The grip is installed, and I'm going to put this back in. Okay, and all I have to do now is to put the screws to tighten them up. Of course, you can also twist this so it's in symmetry with the other one. So I'm going to do it this way, so the Ado logo faces upward, and I have the screws looking nice in this direction. So I'm going to loosen them up just a bit more so this gets in easier, as like that. And all I have to do now is tighten up the screws, and we are done with the physical install of the throttle. I might still need to push this a bit inward so it holds this a bit better in place, but I don't have any kind of other tools to do that, because I wanted to do this without any kind of other tools. So that should do it for now. And let's tighten up those screws to hold everything in place. That's good. And also the other one. And now I have the grip installed, everything is fine. Now we have to do the electric wiring, which is also super simple. And now for the super complicated electrical part, You are just going to unwrap this a bit, and you get access to this plug that has some duct tape on it, and you get this only on the international version. The European version doesn't have the plug installed, and you cannot install the throttle. And we have the connector exposed, the same color with this one, and we are just going to match and fit them together. And just like that, we have them installed, and now you can use the remaining spiral to hold this together nicely, just like that, so it doesn't break the overall design. And just like that, we have the throttle installed. And now let's see what happens if I power this on. Do we get an error or not? Nothing, but this will not work because it's not currently enabled. So we need a mobile phone. And now I'm opening the app, and I'm going to connect to the bike. I was too fast, so I need to wait a bit for the app to actually start. And it has connected to the bike. I have the confirmation here with the Bluetooth sign there. So I'm going to go to engineering mode. You need to tap it 5 times, then press enter. Now where you have this boost drive power assist, you are going to select hybrid drive. And I'm going to be done with that, so I'm going now to exit. And theoretically I should have throttle enabled, so I'm here on level 3, and the motor is running nicely, and I get a healthy 37 kilometers per hour on the screen, so fully unlocked. And now we are going to do a quick test drive to see how this bike runs with the throttle and with the assisted mode. Okay, so you may understand the dynamics better. I have around 85 kilograms, and today I have a backpack that weighs about 3 to 4 kilograms because I have some more gear inside. So let's see how the bike rides now unlocked. You are probably not going to see anything on the screen, so you will have to listen to me when I tell you the speed or how the bike reacts. So I'm curious to see on assist level 1, do I still have throttle? Assist actually. Yes, I do have something. Yes, and it also works on third. So I still have assist mode, which is truly hybrid. And oh, that's so nice. I get acceleration, and the acceleration definitely more powerful than the assisted mode. You can feel that the bike is running a lot more faster than it runs on assisted mode. Here it's super steep, and it's going to be fun getting up on it. So I'm going to push the minus button here, and we get the walk assist has started on the screen, and we are pushing this, and it's getting uphill. Actually, the bike is going almost by itself, and we manage to get on top of the situation just like that. So now let's try it out. And now the true speed test. So I'm on a CC3, I'm accelerating, and now throttle to maximum. Let's see how this thing rides. So I have stopped from pedaling, and I'm already doing 30 kilometers per hour. It's a very strong wind which is not favorable because it comes from the front, so it's slowing me down. But I'm already reaching 34 kilometers per hour, and now the road is going slightly uphill. So 33.9, which is of course 34 point something, and now I'm going uphill. Oh, this is really nice, and it's exactly what I wanted the bike to feel like and to work like. So I have now 3 working assist modes, so I can actually 4 assist modes, because I can use the bike on 0 with no assistance. So I'm slightly going uphill, and it's nothing crazy. I can do it. I can go on assist 1, play it nice, have range. I can go on assist 2. If I want to do some faster acceleration, I can go on assist level 3. I can pedal this to 25 kilometers per hour, and now I want to go faster, and I can help it. Now I'm pedaling too fast, but I'm at 35 kilometers per hour going uphill. Amazing. And now I'm also going to repeat the test from standstill, so no acceleration from my legs, just electric throttle. So maximum acceleration from the throttle. I'm slightly uphill right now, so it's already 20, 25, 30, 32, 33, 34. And it's around 33, 34, 34 and a half. ADO says that cross your city. Well, I'm going to cross my forest and see how this bike works here. It actually does a pretty good job. It's absolutely amazing. You take such a small and light bike and ride it in the forest. The bike is not meant to do that. Let's be serious. But the motor has enough power to do that, just to do that. And with the accelerator and combined with the assisted mode, you can truly go fast here. So really, really nice for such a tiny bike. I mean, this is some true performance. And the tires are road tires, and they are new. They are not worn a bit, so they are not really grippy right now. But even so, I'm doing 30 in the forest with this bike. Simply amazing job. That hit me really hard. And up we go, down we go. And another branch hit. And full throttle. No, I'm not going to jump this, but I'm going to cross it anyway. Whoa, that was cool. It feels really nice because the bike is very light, and that makes it easy to maneuver, and it's predictable. You can slide it, you can brake it fast, you can brake very fast, you can accelerate very fast, and you can also stop very fast. It feels really nice, but definitely don't do this with your ADO bike because it's not meant to do that. but it rides really nice. And time for the conclusions. So the Accelerator does a great job. It actually makes the bike feel a lot more powerful. You can go uphill faster. You can go on rough terrain much more easier. So definitely using the throttle, it's more than using the level 3 assist on the bike, and you get 35 kilometers per hour really easy. And I like the fact that currently, without any kind of other settings from the app, I still have the 3 assist levels with 0 mode, and the throttle works overriding each working mode. So I have assist level 1, which is easy, assist level 2, which is medium, assist level 3, which is much more powerful and limited to 25 kilometers per hour. But if I push the throttle in each of the modes, I can override them and do a quick burst of power and speed up to 35 kilometers per hour and a lot more torque. So definitely impressed how they managed to do this, because it's not like the other older models of ADO where you had the 3 assisted modes, then you switch to mode 4 and 5, and the assist only worked on level 1 to 3 and acceleration worked only 4 to 5. Now they are working combined, and I simply love that. So all in all, it was an excellent upgrade for the bike, and the power and the speed really makes this one of the best bikes to ride in the city. And not only in the city, but also on the field, on the forest. Don't look like I did. It's not recommended. This is a road bike and city bike. Don't do that. Don't do jumps. Don't do crazy stuff with it. I just wanted to show you that the bike handles very rough terrain, and the amount of added power is there and does the job. So until my next videos related to this bike and other videos, be sure to follow my next uploads, and see you. Until then, bye bye. I mean, it's just like a walk in the park. Wait, it's not a park, it's a forest. Okay, it's like a walk in a forest. Wait, it's not a walk, it's a ride. It's like a ride in the forest. Okay, I'm cool with that.